Hi guys, so today I'm going to walk you through what a pre-made itinerary looks like. This is a Vietnam itinerary that I've taken as an example. So when you receive the itinerary, you basically receive a PDF document. And here what you can see is we've given you visa related information. All you need to do is click on this link and it actually takes you to the page where that information is available. We've also given you the official visa link. So this is where you can apply for the e-visa. You just click on it and it opens that link and you can continue the process. If there are any questions, you can obviously reach out to us as a part of the post-purchase support. Then we have stay options mentioned in different places, starting from a budget of 1,500 rupees, Indian rupees, or US dollar 20, 19 per night. And we also have cruise options. This itinerary has a cruise, so you can just click and open the stays, and whichever one you like. All you need to do is put in your dates. Let's say you like this one. All you would need to do is put in your dates and book the stay. So you can just enter your dates, and these are all vetted by us. Some of them are used by our clients as well. So you just put in the dates. So let's say, for example, I am going in March 2023 for one night. I'll just put that date here and I'll be able to see the cost and I can just make the reservation. Coming back to the itinerary. Then you also have a link to book your flight tickets. So these are for internal flight tickets moving from one city to the other. Then for each day of the itinerary that's planned, you have a heading or a topic. So this one is Explore Hanoi. And then you have a detailed description of what to expect during the day, where all you'll be going. And then we also give a Google Map link for the day. So when you click on that, on your phone specifically, it'll open up Google Maps app and it'll give you all the directions. So all you need to do is kind of keep walking through the day. Then we also have some tips and all that we mentioned depending on what itinerary it is. Then we also have an early morning start on this day. We mentioned the place that they need to go to and take the public transport. Then we've also written some recommendations like what to expect and what are the things you should do in that place. Then we've also mentioned that you can have breakfast, how much it will cost, how far a particular place is. Let's say next stop is this museum, how far it is from the previous place that you've gone. So you get all of that. And then you also get, again, the next place after this, how far it is from the previous place that you went to. So just like that, we kind of mentioned the whole day. You don't have to do everything that's there in the itinerary, but some people really like to explore a lot. So we mention as much as possible. And yeah, I mean, that's how each day is planned. So like we have this itinerary for 7 days. There are also tours that we've mentioned. So for example, if you want to take a tour and not do this particular day on your own, you can actually book the tours from here. And if you want to do it on your own, like by public transport or your self-drive car, we've also given that. So this is basically what an itinerary is and how it will help you. It's basically a DIY itinerary. So at any point, if there's something you don't understand, so let me give you an example. If there's any point, let's say you're in Hanoi for the day and you don't want to go to this particular museum that was there, this museum, you can actually reach out to us on WhatsApp. There is a form that you get as a part of the download email, which you can fill and just mention what you're looking for, what your order number is, and we'll provide you alternate options on WhatsApp. So it's actually that simple. And you need only one itinerary, whether it's a group or a couple or groups of friends going, multiple families going, one itinerary will actually do for everyone.